What does it mean to be ISPM certified? Scarborough is ISPM certified. What does that mean?
So when we talk about our custom crating solutions and our crates going into varying different countries outside of the United States, that ISPM 15 is geared towards controlling the spread of pests, whether that is plants, vermin, bugs, whatever it is, by using specially treated wooden packaging material. And what that means is that the wood is heat treated, and it's heat treated using specific high level standards of temperature, using specific types of wood. Most notably, the wood is coniferous softwood or some sort of non-coniferous hardwood that is used in this raw packaging of the material. So Scarborough's customized crating solutions all use that specific type of wood that meets these standards. And for whatever, customized solution that we're building for our clients, Scarborough is certified to stamp all of those goods to meet the standards of export for every country throughout the world in order to get your goods not only securely into that country, but also meet the requirements of entry to that country and ensure a smooth transition to and from each of your shipping point and into the country as seamlessly as possible.